All gone tinkle? Sing twinkle.
Twinkle. Twinkle.
Are you reading about it?
Bye-bye.
Twinkle, twinkle. Are you going to sing me a song? What are you going to sing? How about Bye Bye Black Sheep? That's good singing. What about the wheels on the bus?
Beep, beep, beep.
Yep, the wheels on the bus go beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep. Tail. Beep, beep, beep. 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 Beep, beep, beep.
What about the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Mommy!
What? Is the Itsy Bitsy Spider in that book?
Yes.
Is it in the book? Where? Where's the Itsy Spider? All right, Presley. Anything you want to tell the camera? What do you want to tell the camera? Huh? Camera what? You want to tell the camera night-night? You want to tell the camera night-night? You want to go to bed? You want to... What about Hush, Little Baby?
Hush, baby.
Yeah.
Hush, baby, till this. Mommy, father, up. Hush, baby, liberty.
All right. Night-night. Love you. I love you. Do you love Mommy?
Twinkle.
All right, sing Twinkle.
Twinkle.
I think you just sang a Twinkle Twinkle and Bye Bye Black Sheep mashup. All right, we have to go bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Night-night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you.